Today we're going to talk about longest consecutive sequence. Longest consecutive sequence means we have an array, we have to find out a consecutive longest number, which is like 1, 2, 3, 4. So then we have to return 4. This is the longest in the given array. So let's say, how do we find out this, right? What is our logarithmic technique? What do you have to first take 100, check whether this 100 is first element or not. How do you check 100 is first element or not? 100 minus 1, 99. Check whether 99 is there or not in this array. If it is not there, then this can be a first element. Then once we find this is the first element, then check whether is there any element 101. In this particular case, there is no element 101. Then the longest consecutive number at this point is 1. Then move on to next character, 4. Check whether this is actually the first element or not. 4 minus 1 equal to 3. If this 3 is not there in this list, then this can be a first element. But in this case, like 3 is already there. Then this cannot be a first element. Then move on to the next element, which is 200. 200 minus 1 equal to 199. Check whether 199 is there in this array or not. No, it's not there. Then this can be a first element, 200. Then check 201 is there or not. No, there is no element called 201. Then still the max length is 1. Then move on to the next element, which is 1. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Check whether the 0 is there in this array or not. No, it's not there. Then 1 is actually a first element. Take 1, add 1 with 1 is 2. Check whether 2 is there or not. 2 is there. Add 1 by 1 with 2, which is 3. Check 3 is there or not. 3 is there. And 3 plus 1, check whether 4 is there or not. 4 is there. 4 plus 1, 5. Check whether 5 is there or not. No. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to keep track this as and when we move on to the next. And this is the length which we have to return 4. So how do we check the given number is there in the array or not? We first loop through the entire array, create an hash, and checking can be done in O of 1 time complexity. That's how we can solve this problem. Thanks for watching.